Welcome to Ebas Gallery. Morgan Motor Company is celebrating its iconic V8 powered Plus 8, with a 50th anniversary edition. The family-owned British marque has officially unveiled the Morgan Plus 8 50th anniversary edition at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show. The Morgan Plus 8 50th anniversary edition pays homage to one of Morgan's most celebrated models. Production will be limited to just 50 examples, each one hand-built and carrying a unique model number. First conceived by company owner at the time, Peter Morgan, the head-turning Plus 8 prototype was revealed to the public at the Earls Court Motor Show of 1968, and was powered by a Rover V8 engine with a marque gearbox. Over the following half a century, approximately 6,000 Plus 8s have driven out through the gates of Morgan's Pickersleigh Road home. The Morgan Plus 8 50th anniversary is a fitting combination of craftsmanship, luxury, and technology. A lightweight aluminium chassis and 4.8-liter BMW engine sit beneath the traditional Morgan body. At just 1,100 kilograms, the Plus 8 is one of the lightest V8 passenger cars in the world and is capable of 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds and a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The Morgan Plus 8 50th anniversary will be the last Morgan vehicle to feature the naturally aspirated BMW V8 engine. The Plus 8 50th Anniversary Edition is available in two striking colors and two specifications: blue speedster style with an open cockpit, or green traditional convertible with a soft top. Throughout Morgan history, significant prototypes, and some of the most successful V8 race cars have all been painted blue. The most famous racing version, MMC11, was known for its distinctive blue paint, and this is reflected in the speedster-style open cockpit version. The Plus 8's colors were selected to celebrate this tradition. A true British sports car, the Morgan Plus 8 50th Anniversary Edition will also be produced in British Racing Green, the most popular color associated with over 109 years of Morgan Motor Company. The green models will be specified with a soft top. Each car will be individually liveried by Morgan's craftspeople with graphic work applied beneath the lacquer for durability, and as a clear signifier of the special nature of the vehicle. Each Plus 8 50th Anniversary Edition is also finished with a unique number on the exterior back panel of the car.